Today I want to show you my everyday go-to look. This is something I'd wear to work. This is something I would wear out and about with friends during the day. Just kind of my go-to everyday look. So I just got out of the shower, and what I first do is I use this Kristin Instant Lift Volumizing Mousse. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. So I would highly recommend this product to anybody, and all of her products. Her shampoos are nice, they don't build up or anything like that. So I've thrown that in my hair, and my hair up in one of these towel wraps. That's what I do every single time I shower. I love to let this product just sit and soak in as much as possible. So in the shower for my face, I did my usual face wash. I've been using the Kylie Cosmetics stuff, her foaming face wash and the Walnut scrub. And then I continue on with her other products after the shower. The milk toner, the serum, which I sometimes use that serum and then I sometimes use another serum. I love the vanilla milk toner to start. This stuff is so awesome. And I love toners. I usually use actually a witch hazel one here, which I love also, but it's kind of better for me in the summer because it can be a little bit drying, even though it has aloe and stuff in it, which is hydrating and good for my skin. The Kylie one is really good for wintertime for me because I just feel like it helps add moisture. I put that on a reusable cotton swab. I got these off Amazon, trying to reduce my own personal waste. I go in with either the Kylie Vitamin C Serum, which I'm running a bit low on, or this Aveeno Positively Radiant MaxGlow Infusion Drops. I was so pumped when I saw them at TJ Maxx because they're actually kind of a little pricey in store. So I do really like this product. I love the Kylie Vitamin C. It's just kind of a struggle to get it out of the container right now because I am running out of it. So I'm just gonna use the Aveeno one because I sometimes do anyways, so this is still accurate to my routine. And I put this stuff everywhere, all over. I use the Kylie Skin Eye Cream. I love this stuff, and a lot of people complained about the containers, and it's like, yeah, it's annoying, but like, what container have you encountered, like what makeup container have you encountered that you don't have to like do a little extra? So I just put this right underneath my eyes, and I actually like to put this above my eyes too. This has kept my under eyes very moisturized, which I love because I actually used to have trouble with my under eyes as well in the winter. Like, I would patch up if I put makeup on. It's the Kylie Skin Moisturizer. This stuff is awesome. I think this is gonna be a summer moisturizer for me, for sure. My makeup routine day to day is pretty simple. I don't use a whole ton of products, and I feel like I'm kind of still on the hunt for products that I really love. Like, I definitely am looking for a different foundation. I love the one I use, but I don't know, I feel like I don't get that perfect, like, nice, smooth, kind of glass skin look from it. I want that, like, which is good for every day, but like, I definitely want to find a foundation, like the Armani Soap Foundation, that like gives you that just beautiful, like, you know you have makeup on, but it looks really nice. Like, it looks super pretty. So I'm on the hunt for that. Hopefully we'll kind of go on that hunt together and figure it out from there. So to start, I actually do my eyebrows first because I use a little product called Soap Brows on my eyebrows. I love this stuff. I actually had a unibrow growing up. My brother shaved it. So basically what I do is I just kind of like rub a little spoolie. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow spoolie and brush. And so what I do is I actually brush through my brows the opposite direction first. My least favorite hairs, like these eyebrow hairs that are down here on the back side, like closer to my ear. I also got my eyebrows done in like, I'm not even kidding, like 5 years. I don't get my eyebrows done, I just pluck them. That being said, they haven't really grown that much, but hey, you know what? It's okay. Okay, so I comb through my brows. I literally leave them like this. Like, you can see they're kind of crazy. I just kind of leave them all over the place like that, and I let them just sit, let that marinate. Like, do your thing, sit in there, wax. My cousin showed me this stuff. It's the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. This stuff is so cool. It looks like this. Oh, there we go. Goes from, oh, it's cool because it has sunscreen in it. It's SPF 15. Literally goes from like a liquid to to a powder on your face. It's so cool. Back to my brows, and I'm gonna comb through them again, and I use a bigger spoolie. Comb them up and out. Pretty crazy, huh? Look at that, that's pretty wild. I really like this product. It's the Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I feel like this is like a go-to for people. I don't know, I feel like I never really mastered this whole like eyebrow thing. Very lightly filling in kind of those sparse areas. I don't go too crazy with my brows. See, again, I'm not perfect at this at all. Like, I feel like I haven't mastered this skill. I also like it to look pretty natural. Now what I do is I actually just kind of comb down these like pieces that are on the top. So instead of like brushing them over to the side, I just kind of comb them right on the tip so that they kind of like angle down a bit. Like that. I don't know, it's not perfect, but this is like, they look thicker and that is good enough for me. I'm gonna start with concealer, and I use a really little bit of this stuff. It's amazing, but a little goes a long way. Shape Tape in light medium. Now I just blend this in very lightly. So I'm just blending this in using a Real Techniques brush. I love these brushes. I appreciate how affordable they are and the quality of them. So really I just use this in the areas where I kind of have the most kind of color correction to do. So that's with just the Shape Tape, and I feel like I already see an improvement, which is nice. Okay, and then next I use the Daily Correct CC Cream from Supergoop. This is a broad spectrum sunscreen, SPF 35. I have this in the color Light. And then I'm gonna use the Real Techniques 200 brush, or Expert Face Brush. Looks like this. This is a really good little brush, and I like it because I just feel like it buffs in the product really well, but it also doesn't take away from any coverage the product might provide. This is a very light coverage, and it was actually recommended to me by my brother's wife, Jen. She was using it. She's got beautiful, beautiful skin. And I said, what do you use on your face? And she showed me, and so I immediately bought some. That's what that looks like on. Again, it's not the most full coverage. This is something, if you're gonna use this, like maybe you like a lighter look, but you might have to layer it in a couple spots. Like you can see that my redness in my cheeks shows through, and a couple kind of scars that I have also show through. It's very buildable for sure, but it's light. Nice finish, right? You can see imperfections for sure, but this is, again, this is a day-to-day look. Time to contour. I use the Gigi Gorgeous, the 6 Sculpt Bronzer Duo Turnt and Extra. 2 colors, like a lighter and then a more tan color. I'm gonna like mix my brush around. This is the Kat Von D Shade to Light contour brush. Just kind of fine the area everywhere. Like I kind of pat it down first. I'll take this side of the brush and blend. Like that. So there's no harsh lines. I like to put some on my jaw. I'm always kind of blending upwards, never bringing it down. Right, the brush just broke. Cool. I'm gonna still use it for my eyeshadow because I feel like I can. And I use the lighter shade to contour my nose. This is another thing that I'm definitely really into. Now I go in with this blush color right here. I really like this palette. It's Malibu Free Spirit. Your LA Experience. Lorac Cosmetic. Pat it in, just like that. I love like the little glow that that gives, that putting blush on gives. And then I do take some and put it in the eye area because I find that it just kind of ties everything together. If I have any extra, I put it like right across that part of my nose. So I feel like it makes me look like I got some sun or something. Afternoon Rosé color, which I really, really like. And I use this Bobbi Brown eye blender brush, which I don't use, I use it for highlighter. I just kind of throw that right in there. Just like that. See? Yeah, there we go. There's that shot. Then I put some right on my nose. Right down the middle. I will take like a little brush like this and I'll put some on there. I will just kind of pop some right in the corner. I do take some on my finger and I actually put it right in the center of the lid. Okay, Stila or Stila. Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner. I use it in black. Looks like this. I definitely probably need to get a new one, but I like this a lot. It does truly stay all day. It doesn't move, and that is very awesome. Okay, so usually when I do this, I pull my eye a bit, and I just kind of drag it down. And then I'll like fill in the corner here. And I always like to kind of just clean it up. Okay, once I do that, that was the Skindinavia, the makeup finishing spray. Bridal, I don't know. I don't know if that makes a difference. It works great. Voila. That's it. I actually have fake eyelashes on now, so I'm not gonna put mascara on because you can't put mascara on with them. But yeah, this is the look. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Make sure you hit follow, subscribe, and thank you again. It really means a lot to have you guys be watching my very first YouTube video. Thank you.